Hi, my name is Muhammad Azim Mirusli. My metric number is B0217100094. And first of all, I would like to thanks to God for giving me the strength to complete this final year project. And I'm also grateful to University Technical Malaysia Melaka for the financial support. And I also would like to extend my gratitude to my supervisor, which is Dr. Norihan binti Abdul Hamid, and also Dr. Awira Hidayat Muhammad Sa'ad for giving me the guidance and the motivation to complete this final year project successfully. Today, I would like to present my final year project, which is optimization of conditioning circuit board interface for Cili Padi picking robot for Innotech 2021. In Cili Padi fertigation process, the most time-consuming and laborious is Cili Padi picking. It was reported that the picking operation take up 80% of the fertigation process, and in average, it took about 1 hour for a single worker to picking up for 1 kilogram of Cili Padi. So, Cili Padi picking robot were considered to encounter this problem. This project is one of the 3 separate projects that work together in a synchronized and structured to build a Cili Padi picking robot, whereas my project is focusing on the mechatronic part, which consists of integration of mechanical engineering such as motor with electronic. The problem that this project is encountered is circuit cleanliness issue. The interconnection between the component is made through numbers of current carrying wires. It makes the interconnection looks bulky. Next, microcontroller conditioning circuit. The circuit from actuator and sensor is not within the voltage specification of microcontroller. And lastly, interference. PCB layout is close to each other that can cause signal interference. The project objective is to simulate and validate the conditioning circuit of all the actuator and sensor that is connected to the microcontroller. Next is to design the centralized switching box and circuit parts planning. And lastly, to analyze the circuit connectivity and functionality. In order to ensure the outcome of this project is achieved, a method of flowchart for developing the control panel is developed. The Cili Padi picking robot control panel circuit were developed according to the needed of the robot. The component that is used in the robot is taken into a serious consideration in terms of functionality and compatibility. As you can see here, this is the circuit connection overview. So, the control panel circuit is separate into 3 node subsystems, and each of it has its own specific task. The main component needed to build the Cili Padi picking robot is actuator, sensor, and microcontroller. The main microcontroller is Arduino Mega. It controls 2 subsystems, which is mobility and also picking mechanism. And the other microcontroller is NVIDIA Jetson Nano. It controls the localization and color subsystem. This is the circuit connection for the control panel for Cili Padi picking robot. This is the overview of power distribution for control panel. It is supplied by 12-volt battery and connected to the charger controller, so it can be charged whenever the battery is dry. The charger controller is also connected to the fuse block to distribute the voltage to other device, and also for safety precaution, it will cut off electricity to one of the circuit in case of overload on the circuit, indicating an electric short. And it is also connected to the emergency button for cutting off the electricity. The fuse block will distribute the voltage to the voltage regulator and then stepping up the voltage for the stepper motor to operate. And the charger controller also connected to LCD display and NVIDIA Jetson Nano through USB connector. This is the USB connection for the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. It is connected to camera for chili localization and other peripheral. It is also connected to Arduino Mega for communication. The design of the individual part associated with the control panel for the robot was first studied and analyzed. Then, the 3D model for control panel with the associated part were developed in SolidWorks. Control panel design for machinery is an important undertaking, resulting in an interface design to control a machine or process. It is not a simple matter of selecting an appropriate enclosure and a back panel that houses the electrical hardware. So, the proper hardware must be properly wired and integrated into the machine. Any improper configuration can result in malfunctioning the machinery. To assess the performance of the circuit, several sets of analyzing were designed to evaluate both of the individual subsystem and the entire system. The analyzation on the functionality and connectivity were simulated in Proteus 8. As you can see here, this is the circuit connection for picking mechanism node subsystem. It consists of 3 stepper motor for controlling the delta arm and 1 servo motor to control the RC robot gripper. Switch 1 and switch 2 is represented as camera. The delta arm and the RC robot gripper is controlled by the camera. This is the circuit connection for mobility node subsystem. It consists of 2 stepper motor for controlling the left and the right wheel. The motor is controlled by the pressure sensor. Next, this is the circuit connection for polybag grabber. It consists of 1 stepper motor to control the grabber and also 1 ultrasonic sensor to sense the polybag. As you can see here, this is my project significant. On the left hand side is for the environmental and the right hand side is for the robot itself. For the environmental, this project is equipped with a novel of cable-driven picking gripper that has a high tolerance for positional error and can be reduced picking time for wide agriculture. This project also is collaborating with several industrial partners and have higher chance to be commercial. And this project also is reduce workload and use of labor to minimum. And for the robot, it is very compact. A very light circuit is developed on a small switching box, and it is also saving of wire. The interconnection between the component is made through copper track instead of using a number of current carrying wire. It makes the interconnection less bulky, and it is also short circuit avoided. As the connection are made automatically through copper track, there is no chance of loose connection or short circuit. And the Cili Padi picking robot is also sustainable development. The project is a green energy saving as it is using a rechargeable battery to operate. The present study developed a control panel with a 3-node subsystem that has its own specific tasks. The developed control panel is used to control the actuator and sensor that connected to the microcontroller. The control panel design is developed via SolidWorks and other software. Unfortunately, The prototype of the control panel was not yet assembled due to the availability of the component and were not able to field test the functionality and connectivity. However, the functionality and connectivity are simulated via Proteus 8. Thank you. That's all from me.